The basic brand is Luminanz, and that's the name of this patented technology, and it can actually be used in virtually any sector you can think of. At this point in time, we have products going into the industrial sector, we have products going into the commercial sector, the retail sector, and we also have a big area of usage in signage and backlighting of signs, both internal signs, menu signs, and also external signage, which is a huge user of energy. If you think of particularly right across the world, because we're working with licensees here in the UK, which is MHA Lighting, but also Hexagon in Kuala Lumpur, and they are now using this technology globally for McDonald's, Shell and companies such as that, to actually take out the conventional technology that they use in signs at the moment, which is fluorescent, which needs a lot of replacement, a lot of maintenance, and replacing it with our quarter light technology, which once it's in there, it stays there, and it stays there for 5, 10, 20 years, depending on the amount of usage. And it gives a quality, even light. It gives a light that's using probably only between 25 and 40% of the power that conventional signs use. So you're getting better quality, you're getting more even light distribution, you're getting much lower maintenance, you're getting much lower energy usage. It's safer because it's used at a low voltage. Because it's maintenance free, it's better in terms of health and safety. You don't have people working at height, whereas in a lot of cases at the moment, people have to with big signage. This is a huge energy saver in that area. It can be used in a lot of outdoor applications, whether that's street lighting, walkway lighting. One area in particular where we're actually working in at the moment is motorway sign illumination, which at the moment is a huge problem because quite often motorways and hard shoulders have to be coned off to replace fluorescent tubes which have gone out. Signs have to be lit for safety reasons. This technology, once it's in, it's there for years and years and years, doesn't need any maintenance, it's low cost, it's low energy, and it's safe at the end of the day, and it gives a highly directional light. We can direct exactly where our light goes onto the sign and not polluting the outside areas of beyond the sign itself, and that's very important. It's also very useful to be able to use this technology in other industrial applications, like in warehouses and factories and offices. And we have a range of different types of light, all with the name light at the end of them. Funnily enough, it's tail light and cornice light and contour light, and that allows us to start to build a family of lights built on this safe, easily viewable technology. It's probably between either around about the same cost. For example, the motorway lights, we don't need big housings for them. We can actually produce a light that's a third of the size for roughly the same cost, maybe a little bit more. But if we do, the other savings, the energy savings, the maintenance savings, they more than make up for. So over a life cycle costing, then it's much, much cheaper, and we get payback within a couple of years at the maximum. And thereafter, people are saving really 70% or so of their energy use, and that will go on, year out, and against an always upward and increasing energy cost.